Hey guys, this is Lorelli with WTI. And today I want to share with you a little detail that has made a big difference in my baking business. I'm talking about these adorable homemade with love stickers. What I love about these stickers is how they allow me to personalize every order. Because each time a customer receives their package and sees the sticker, they know that I baked their dessert with love, and it's a small gesture that makes a big impact. But there are more reasons to love these stickers. They give my packages a professional, cohesive look, which helps build my brand. They also create a personal connection with my customers. It's like I'm saying a little thank you with each order. These stickers make the unboxing experience more memorable, and they can also serve as a subtle marketing tool. So, if you're looking for a way to add a personal touch to your baked goods, I highly recommend these stickers. That is why I really love using these stickers, and that is my point of view.